Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I really want to, thank you honestly from bottom of my heart because the past couple of weeks has been really hard for me. Even now it is not easy. But whoever actually stayed there to support me and then whoever started supporting me, I'm really happy and I was not expecting that much of a response to be very honest. But whoever actually taken their time to revert to my post or my uh, videos, whatever I did last week or the past 2 weeks. So really, thank you so much for this, guys. This kind of support really helped me to move forward. I can't able to forget anything, but at least I can move on. Keeping the memories. So with that said, I really don't want to talk much about it. I will get so emotional. So let's go with this week's unboxing videos. So I went ahead and bought some more Majorette sachet. I think you might have seen that in the hunt video. So this I bought some time back, but after that, since I didn't do any videos, so that just thought of posting that so that you guys will know what to expect in maybe in upcoming videos or in upcoming weeks. So let's start with this one. So this one is a Toyota Corolla, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's a Toyota Corolla Altis. So I remember seeing this car, long back in India. I don't know if this car still exists. Still they are selling this car in India. But I remember this, I'm not sure if that is a memory from any movie or something like that from my childhood, or it is actually from, I mean, where I actually saw it in person, and and it got saved in my what is it? What do you call subconscious memory? Okay. Anyways, so let's move on to the next one. So this one is the Ford Escort Mark II RS 1800. So I really like this one. The color scheme on this and the rims on this, it looks really, really nice. So I prefer buying this Hot Wheels, to be very honest, because it has openable parts and everything. So I can see a lot of people took a liking to Majorette now, because wherever I'm going, whatever shops I'm going, I'm not seeing any Majorette nowadays. Back then, during 2023, it used to stay in the pegs for a very long time, even for a year. So I even bought some of the cars during 2024, which came into 2023. So no one bought it apart from a very few people who bought it for their kids, and apart from me. I personally loved it, so I started buying it without. Whenever I'm seeing something new in Majorette, I used to. Originally, I didn't buy everything, but at some point I thought, okay, this looks really cool, so I bought whatever I was able to get. So the next one would be this one, the Volkswagen ID bus cargo. So originally I left it, but after that, during the second time I went for a hunt, and I saw this, and then I wondered, okay, so the Hot Wheels one looked okay, but this one has a moving part and all, and it is really heavy. So I was hoping that, okay, it looks really nice along with the card and everything. That's what I really love about Majorette. This card actually has the detail of the cars on the on the behind. So I will show that when I unbox it. So apart from these three, the next three would be, this is from one of my good friend Freddy. So he actually bought this for his collection, so he gave that to me unboxing today. So with that said, let me show you what he actually gave me. So this one is the Bone Shaker. This is the Hot Wheels ID version. So sadly they actually stopped this app. The app, one of the best games I played in my mobile, when it comes to Hot Wheels. There is one more Hot Wheels game nowadays, I think Unleashed or Unlimited something, that is really not good. But this one, this ID one, used to be really good. I really loved playing that, even though if it is for a very short time, I really loved playing it. Okay, so you can actually open it and see it. This looks really cool. The color scheme and then the rust on this, you can see. So I can't wait to unbox this one, to be very honest. And next would be this. So this one is the Toyota Supra from the Brian O'Connor series from Fast and the Furious, and he bought two of it. One is this one, another one I will show you in a minute. And so he actually bought it for a huge price, like 600 rupees or so. That's what he told me. So if you remember, guys, we did unbox Toyota Supra. When it came during 2023, that entire 10 piece. We unboxed the Nissan Skyline, the Toyota Supra, and everything. So this set also has a Nissan Skyline GTR, so which is this one. So it's exactly the same casting. There is nothing difference here. So I don't remember the card art of that one, to be very honest. So I forgot it. I do have the card saved in one of the boxes. Maybe I need to relook that one, how it looked. But this also I bought for around 600 rupees. So the scalpers are playing their role nowadays. Okay. So we will be unboxing these 6 cars, guys, this week. So stay tuned for this. And once again, thank you for supporting me through the hard times. And whoever is still supporting me, I'm really thankful to them. And as always, thanks for watching this video as well. Have a great day. Goodbye.